It was a natural transition for me to begin doing radial to peripheral intervention. I'm an interventional cardiologist, and we've all gone through the revolution of going from the femoral artery to the radial artery. I remember starting as an interventional cardiology fellow. Most of my training in doing coronary intervention was from the femoral artery. And over time, we had a few lone rangers who were doing radial intervention at that time. And we learned the techniques of getting radial artery access. And we saw the growing pains that were associated with it. But we knew over time, through clinical trial data, that it's safer, it's more comfortable for the patients. And now the question really remains, can it be utilized for our peripheral interventions? When we do a coronary intervention, they want it done through the wrist. And now we're finding out more and more that we can do a lot of critical limb ischemia and patients with peripheral artery disease from a radial approach. And this can be something that can really revolutionize our field of endovascular intervention.